It's Monterey Car Week, and Infiniti has just shown us the QX Monograph. Interesting, they didn't call it the QX80 Monograph. We've also had the QX60 Monograph in the past, but check out the replacement for the QX80. Let's get into it. This entire press release is a lot of design talk, which is going to put me to sleep. So I'm not going to read it. Instead, we're going to look at the videos they've given us. They have 2 videos and a slew of pictures. It's like anytime a manufacturer gives us this much detail in a concept, it's almost really close to production. We'll just say that. We know the QX80 has to be coming out soon. They're dropping the V8. There's the new Infiniti logo. It's illuminated and it's like 3D effect. It's like pulling you in. It's like the black hole pulling you in, or at least that's how I see it, due to the speed, the insane speed of the twin turbo V6 replacing the V8 on this QX80. Well, I'm hearing like 450 horsepower and over 500 pound-feet of torque on this guy. So it's going to be impressive, and it's a larger displacement twin turbo V6. I think a 3.7 or 3.8 liter compared to Toyota's 3.4 liter twin turbo V6. Lots of cool illumination going on. They say the front lights and the rear lights are digital piano keys. Let me know what you guys think about all those individual details up front. And they've smoothed out the lines here. I'm really curious to see if the production will have built or sucked in door handles. It'll look very Range Rover-esque at that point. Maybe that's what they're going for. Huge Infiniti logo there on the side. A little close up on those headlights as well. And yeah, the silhouette looks fairly similar to the current one, just a little bit more sculpted. And I love the QX80. Actually, I haven't reviewed one in a long time, but I have reviewed the Armada, which is essentially the exact same thing. So what we're seeing here is not only the new Infiniti QX80, but also the new Armada. So there's that image, and I think the grille is going to be really close. I think this Acura logo is 100% coming. The lights might be dialed back a little bit. Maybe they get rid of the lighting portion in the middle here. And these pieces on the side, I guess we'll look at some other images here in a little bit, but they don't look incredible. It looks maybe a little overstyled here, but I like the simplicity here at the bottom. And the gills here on the front fender kind of match the piano key lights as well. And look, we have a side mirror. Side mirror indicates that more than likely it's very close to production. And we'll let this play. Okay, so the fog lights are kind of built into this little piece, this vertical piece here as well. And we got some horizontal striations here on this second portion of the grille. Man, it looks really good from the side. It looks a lot like the QX60 from the side, just, you know, it's blown up a little bit from the QX60. Pause right there. Glossy black finish here at the bottom. I mean, we've already seen this teaser of the grille before, and seeing this, the new logo is pretty cool, but the logo is not going to save their brand. They need kick-ass products like this to hit the market. But the thing is, what comes after this QX80? If this vehicle comes by the end of the year, which I hope it does, what comes after this for Infiniti? I guess maybe their electric products by 2 years from now. So, you know, feel bad for the Q60 and the Q50 Skyline sedans. Over in Japan, they're getting, or at least the Q50, aka Skyline 4-door, is getting a Nismo, which is pretty cool. Look at these wheels. Okay, let's go back. Look at that interlacing color, that red, that detail. I think it looks pretty fantastic. I'm going to scroll through here a little bit quicker. Okay, so on the back, we have more of that piano key sort of digital design. Got the monograph here, which obviously that will go away in the production. I'm not seeing a lot here, in my opinion, that doesn't look production ready. Everything on this looks like it's ready to come out of the factory. Maybe not the full-on window tint on the front window and the front windshield. That's about it, really. I don't think we have interior. Okay, seeing the lights light up at night's pretty cool. So yeah, no interior shots here. I'm hearing massive digital screens on the interior. So that'll be pretty fun. I guess that's kind of the trend nowadays. We will have a pano roof. At least this monograph has a pano roof. So I'm excited to have that in such a high-class vehicle, high-ticket item vehicle. This thing will come in more expensive than it ever has. It sells for around 80, 70, 80K right now. Look for it to be pushing 100K, kind of catching up to the LX, the Lexus LX. But honestly, I think this is more desirable than the Lexus LX. Even the current V8 QX80 is more desirable than the LX, and it comes in at a much lower price tag. This, I don't think, will come in that lower price tag. I think it'll finally catch up. And you see those puddle lamps coming down, kind of following that digital piano key segmentation here in Infiniti. I think it's pretty cool, pretty unique looking as well. Kind of showing Audi how to do it there. But we're out of B-roll, essentially. It's kind of the same thing over and over. It's beautiful. This thing will kick butt when it comes to the market. Can't wait to see the powertrain, and at this point, can't wait to see the interior, and hopefully we get this vehicle by the end of the year to help Infiniti sales out, assuming that they can meet the demand with the volume, the production volume. But looks pretty sexy. What do you guys think of the new QX80? I know they call it the Monograph, but let's be real. This thing is not going to change a whole lot before it gets to production. But thank you guys for watching. I'm going to shut it down there. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my full reveal. Maybe I actually have never been to an Infiniti event, so that would be amazing if Nissan Infiniti invited me out for the reveal and drive event for the QX80, because I adore the current one and I adore the Nissan Armada as well. All right, long live the V8, I guess, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Take care of yourselves, and peace.